Hey, this is Gigi with Ink and Ink, and we just purchased an RSeries 31 cutter. It actually cuts up to 24-inch vinyl. My design is on heat transfer vinyl. This is my first cut on the new machine. We decided to buy the cheap machine and let it upgrade itself to the rolling. So far, it has dropped the vinyl on the floor several times, and I'm very unimpressed, but you get what you pay for. It's also wasting materials. So I'm going to show you my design. For heat transfer, it's always mirrored, so that when you press it, it is facing the right direction. Stay tuned and I'll be weeding it. Okay, so now I'm gonna weed out the material. I can tell you right now that it miscut the B. Again, this is my second cut. The first time it didn't cut the B in bad at all, and this time it left out one of the center cuts. I'm very much not impressed with the cutter, but like I said before, you get what you pay for. So this is a cold peel heat transfer vinyl. Yeah, it totally miscut the B altogether. I'm not sure if it's with the graphic or the cutter, but you can definitely improvise with a knife. And come back to it. You'll find sometimes that your overhead lighting isn't bright enough, and sometimes you just need a little desk lamp to bring it down to eye level. That's what I've done here. I fully recommend Caesar vinyl, heat transfer vinyl. It's a warm peel, and this is a cold peel I'm very unimpressed with. We bought a big roll, so we're stuck with it for a while. The good news is that when you heat press this, you won't see all these little cuts and slits, and you can improvise and make your own cuts. Like I said, I don't know if this is, I'll have to look into it. This is with the cutter or if this is with the graphic itself. See these little cuts right here? You won't see that after it's heat pressed, but this is missing, so I'm gonna have to cut the center section out by hand. And that's just how it goes sometimes. There you go. So everybody has their little tricks how they find the spot on their shirt where they're going to press it. I like to fold mine in half. I hang the top off of there, and the seam of the sleeve off of the side, and then I just make sure that the wrinkles are pressed out, and then I just lightly press a little seam down the middle. Only takes a few seconds. I'm doing this while the heat press is warming up. It's not even to temperature yet. So this just gives you a nice line. I'm going to have to set the phone down. That just gives you a nice line so that you can line up the middle of the tag. See how my line matches up on the platen? And then again, lines up here. Alright, I forgot to mention that you want to move your shirt down 3 inches, or 3 fingers, not 3 inches, 3 fingers, which from the bottom of the neckline. So I'm going to go ahead and do a pre-press. And just kind of hold it there for just a bit. All that does is get the moisture out of the shirt. Alright, so I've got the design on the shirt and the heat press is warmed up, and I have pre-pressed it. Sorry, I just don't have enough hands. So this is a cold peel, so I'm gonna have to wait until it's cold to be able to peel it off. And there you go. Bad to the bone. Thanks for watching.